Hello friends, greetings to all. Here in this channel we are going to see some important civil engineering data, designs, practical difficulties in site, etc. This first video will be in the introduction part of Indian Standards IS 456 2000. We all know how important this code is for a civil engineer, but we may not be noticed some important notes about this code. These notes are discussed in this video. Indian Standard 456 2000 is a code for plain and reinforced concrete. Before going into detail about the provisions of code, let us see the introduction of IS 456. This code was published first in the name as Code of Practice for Plain and Reinforced Concrete for General Building Construction in the year 1953, which was subsequently revised in 1957. Further, in 1964, the code was revised second time as Code of Practice for Plain and Reinforced Concrete. Here the term General Building Construction was removed. This enabled the usage of code for all structures other than general buildings. In 1978, this IS 456 was revised for the third time. In this revision, the code was included with the limit state design. To know more about the limit state design, working state design, and the difference between both, stay connected with our I'm Civil Engineer channel. Every week there will be a video in all topics of civil engineering. Now let us come to the present revision of the code. In the year 2000, the code was revised for the fourth time, which is highlighted here. In this present revision, the minimum grade of concrete was upgraded as M20. Further, much importance to limit state design was given. IS 456 2000 has 5 sections as mentioned here. In section 1, general items such as scope, reference, terminology and symbols are provided. Section 2 provides the guidance for materials, workmanship, inspection and testing of concrete. In section 3, provisions for general design considerations are provided. More emphasis is given to limit state of design in the general design consideration. And there is a mention that where the limit state method cannot be conveniently adopted, working stress method may be used. A separate annex is provided for the working stress method as the code gives much importance to limit state method. Guidance values for different structural members are provided in this section 3. Section 4 concentrates on the special design requirements of deep beams. It also includes flat slabs, staircase, footings, etc. Now let us see the section 5. Here the code provides provisions for design of limit state method. As we all know, there are two requirements for a design in limit state method: limit state of collapse and limit state of serviceability. A structure is designed for limit state of collapse and checked for serviceability limits like deflection, crack width, etc. Let us see the amendments in this fourth revision of IS 456. These amendments are shown here. The first amendment was made in June 2001, a year later the fourth revision. This amendment mostly concentrated on the printing mistakes only. In the second amendment, which was done in September 2005, the concrete grade in working stress was updated as M55. An annexer was amended in the third in August 2007 for self-compacting concrete. Further, in Amendment 4 made in May 2013, the grade of standard concrete and high strength concrete were upgraded. In the last revision in July 2019, there were some additions and deletions, upgradations, etc. A separate video detailing the important highlights of each amendment will follow in the next videos. So stay connected with our channel for the next video in amendments made in IS 456 2000. If you like this video, kindly provide a thumbs up. Share this video and subscribe for your support. Please press the bell icon to get notifications about the next video. Thank you.